Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Kilner Fermentation Set is probably one of the most exciting and rewarding kitchen gadgets you can invest in if you're looking to explore the world of gut-friendly foods and traditional preservation methods, allowing you to effortlessly create a variety of fermented delights like sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha right in your own home, transforming simple ingredients into flavorful, nutrient-rich probiotics that are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your digestive health and overall well-being. Number 5. Kilner Vintage Glass Butter Churn. Craving fresh, homemade butter? This vintage glass butter churn makes it possible in as little as 10 minutes. Simply add heavy or whipping cream and get ready for delicious results. Using this butter churn couldn't be easier. All you need is your favorite cream. The durable churning mechanism, featuring metal gears and a silicone paddle, does the hard work for you. Enjoy the timeless appeal of the classic Kilner glass jar, complete with an embossed logo. Its sturdy wooden grip and churning handle provide a comfortable and effective way to make butter. This churner boasts a large 34 fluid ounce capacity, allowing you to make a good batch of butter at once. It's perfect for families or anyone who loves having fresh butter on hand. Each 10.1 ounces of whipping cream yields approximately half a cup of butter. This ensures you get the perfect amount for your needs, whether for toast, baking, or cooking. Crafted with quality in mind, this butter churn features a durable churning mechanism designed for longevity. You can rely on it to produce delicious butter time after time. What we like? If you love fresh butter and want to make it quickly at home, this is the one for you. It's incredibly easy to use, just add cream and churn. If you're looking for a fun and fast way to enjoy homemade butter, this churner is a fantastic choice. What people say. The geared crank really gets the works up to speed for fast, efficient churning. My butter took about 8 minutes, and it tastes awesome. The gears are cast, not just stamped sheet metal, and all the parts seem to be well made. The glass is nice and sturdy. It's a little larger than I expected and is a little squeaky when churning. But other than that, has been so fun to use. The glass is very thick. I moved a few states over right after buying and it survived the move. Works as described. It is important to make sure the heavy cream has reached room temperature before you start the churning process, unless you want to be cranking for over 45 minutes. Number 4. Kilner Create and Make Fermentation Set 3L. Create delicious homemade fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and pickles with ease. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and probiotics. This is perfect for fermenting large batches. You can also decant into smaller jars for storage or gifting. It includes a silicone lid with an airlock. This releases gases and prevents air entry, ensuring a smooth fermentation process. This comes with ceramic weights to keep contents submerged. It also includes a 3L fermenting jar and a detailed recipe booklet, all in a gift-ready box. Made from BPA-free, high-quality glass, it's safe, eco-friendly, and long-lasting. It supports Kilner's reuse, refill, recycle ethos. Trusted for over 180 years, we offer sustainable and innovative food storage solutions. Our products blend heritage with modern design. What we like? For those who want to dive into fermenting larger batches of sauerkraut, kimchi, or pickles, this set is ideal. Its innovative airlock system ensures a smooth process, and the generous capacity means you can ferment more at once. If you're looking for a comprehensive and easy-to-use fermentation solution for bigger projects, this is the one to consider. What people say. The jar has a large mouth for easy access to add your ingredients and cleaning. The kit works wonderfully as expected. Everything looks high quality, well made, and thoughtfully designed. Number 3. Elementi Fermentation Kit. Introducing the Elementi Fermentation Kit, designed to make home fermentation simple and enjoyable. Achieve perfect results with your favorite fermented foods. Crafted from food-safe, non-porous glass, these weights ensure no unwanted flavors or odors transfer to your food. Enjoy the pure taste of your creations. Keep your vegetables perfectly submerged, preventing spoilage from excess oxygen. This is the key to making delicious kimchi, sauerkraut, and pickles. Our weights are designed to fit most wide-mouth mason jars, making small-batch fermentation easy and fun. They are also ideal for pickling. These weights are built to last, being both durable and reusable. Simply place them on the top rack of your dishwasher for easy cleaning. Featuring an easy grip handle, these weights are simple to use and retrieve. Even if submerged, a fork can easily lift them from your jar. What we like. If you're already using wide-mouth mason jars for your fermentation projects and need a reliable way to keep your ingredients submerged, these weights are perfect. They prevent spoilage by keeping food below the brine, and the easy grip handle makes them simple to retrieve. If you prioritize preventing oxidation and want a straightforward solution for small batch ferments, these are a great pick. What people say. Most importantly, all of the parts fit my wide mouth ball mason jars, short and wide pints, quart and half-gallon sizes. The kit is easy to use. The airlock works. I have had no signs of mold in my kraut. These weights work to prevent my fermented pickles from molding. That they are glass makes them easy to clean. They fit perfectly in a wide mouth jar, and the knob on top makes them easy to get out when fermentation is complete. Number 2. Elementi Mason Jar Fermentation Lids. Experience effortless fermentation with our BPA-free lids designed for wide mouth jars. They make creating delicious ferments like kimchi and sauerkraut smooth and enjoyable. These lids are tailored for all brands of wide mouth mason jars, ensuring an airtight and reliable seal. Enjoy fresh, flavorful ferments every time. Simply fill the airlock with water and let it do the work. These lids offer a stress-free process for perfectly fermented foods without constant monitoring. Create fresh, nutrient-rich kimchi and other fermented foods at home with our kit. Homemade ferments simply taste better. Our innovative silicone flip-top grommet allows for easy transition from fermentation to storage. Extra grommets are included so you're always prepared. What we like. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to ferment in wide-mouth mason jars, these lids are a game-changer. The airlock system does the work for you, maintaining the perfect environment for healthy ferments without constant attention. If you value simplicity and want consistently delicious results with minimal effort, these lids are an excellent choice. What people say. The jars are a good size for small batches. The fermentation weights are a great addition, keeping the vegetables submerged. The airlocks work well, allowing gas to escape without letting air in. Number 1. Elementi Fermenting Kit. Introducing the Elementi Fermenting Kit, your all-in-one solution for creating delicious fermented foods at home. It's designed to make the process simple and enjoyable. Crafted from food-safe glass and BPA-free plastic, these components ensure your ferments are free from harmful substances. You can trust that flavors and odors will remain pure. These weights and lids are essential for keeping your vegetables submerged, preventing spoilage from oxygen exposure. They create the ideal anaerobic environment for successful fermentation. Perfectly sized for most wide-mouth mason jars, this kit transforms any jar into a fermentation crock. It's ideal for small batch ferments and pickling. Built to last, these weights are thick, heavy, and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Enjoy years of reliable use for all your fermentation needs. Easily make sauerkraut, kimchi, or other fermented vegetables. Simply add your ingredients, submerge with the weights, and let the lids do the rest for perfect results every time. What we like. If you want a straightforward, all-in-one solution to start fermenting in your existing wide-mouth mason jars, this kit is for you. It includes both the essential weights to keep food submerged and lids with airlocks to maintain the perfect anaerobic environment. If you're a beginner or just want a simple, effective way to make sauerkraut and kimchi, this set offers great value. What people say. Well made, fast shipping, and works like a charm. I just finished my first batch of sauerkraut, and it turned out fantastic. Everything is quality, the weights are glass, which is was happy to find. They clean well and make great sauerkraut. These worked very well for me. I have fermented many things, the weights are a godsend. Before getting this I would try to ferment with just a cloth over the top and weigh it down with something heavy. I had about 50% failure rate with that. I recommend these. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.